How about a spicy breakfast dog? Yeah, the heat is there. I'll show you how I fix the most wonderful. It's a breakfast dog. You can use hot links, your favorite sausage, kielbasa, but I like good old American hot links. So here's how I start. This hot link was cooked 2 days ago. It's been in the fridge. I grilled it over charcoal. Had a wonderful flavor. It was my last one. I needed something to wake me up. So here comes the breakfast dog. I just heat it through really good. Bring it over and get it ready to put on my bun, which I've got 2 pieces of cheese on. 2 pieces of American cheese. You can use whatever flavor you like. I like American because it melts good. There you go. You can see her ready for the egg now. I just leave all the juices in the pan. The skillet is off the heat. Crack you a large fresh egg. Don't worry about mixing it up before. I just do a scramble fried, just like a fried egg. So let it set for a minute and scramble it around. Less dishes to clean up first thing in the morning. One less pan that I didn't have to mix my egg up in. That egg picks up all the flavor of that hot link that was left in the pan. Sure is good that way. No salt or pepper needed. It's got all the flavor coming out of the hot link in it. So let's get ready to put it on my hot link. Yeah, I just put it right on top of that hot link. You can see the scrambled egg didn't cook very long. It's still moist. You don't want to dry it out. Who wants a dry scrambled egg on your spicy dog in the morning? And speaking of spice, yeah, I've got some jalapeños. I've got a big jar of jalapeños pickled. I'm going to slice up some small rings. A little bit more spice never hurt anything. You can see everything's still smoking and nice and hot. See the smoke coming off of it. Either that or the smoke's coming off of it because the jalapenos are being put on one or the other, maybe both. There you are. And if that wasn't enough heat, throw you some Camp Dog Cajun seasoning on it. Jalapeno. It's really good. If you want some of this Camp Dog for yourself, look in the description. I'll leave a special code, CBCC. Get 20% off your Camp Dog orders. I'll leave the order information in the description. Take a look at that. It's a really good product made in Louisiana. Louisiana proud. I appreciate you being here on my channel. Please leave me a like, comment, and subscribe.